Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah.
Somebody come over here and hold Peter up, play lazy days. Let's do another round.
Someday I'm gonna wake up and you won't be on my mind. Maybe I won't hate myself for leaving you alive. Perhaps the very thought of you will only make me smile. Someday I'm gonna wake up and you won't be on my mind. 'Cause all them dirty things make me feel that love was a lot like you. And all them fiery nights just could not make up for the firefight. Thank you for saying goodbye. Someday I'm gonna wake up home, deep and happy sleep. Say, baby, I don't hate you for the breakfast stole from me. Perhaps I'll see you downtown and you take me for a drink. Someday I'm gonna wake up and your heart ain't gonna sing. 'Cause all them dirty things make me feel that love was a lot like you. And all them Friday nights that you went home crying, that's still my fault. Thank you for saying goodbye. Thank you for saying dirty things make me think that love was a lot like hate. And all them Friday nights that you went home crying, they're still my fault. Thank you for saying goodbye.
Woo, yeah.
Any other requests?
My blood.
That was years ago, man.
How about my blood?
Looks like that. Run away. Run away with you, Snake.
My blood.
Run away.
My blood.
Legal lyric sheet is on. I don't want to pull it up my phone.
Do you need one for my blood? Is my blood an option?
Calm down. Calm down.
Okay, calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Table one.
Alaska
Come down.
We're doing that.
The whole version.
Hey, Brett, can you practice last good thing for Thursday at least?
Oh no.
Huh? Leave it on.
That one I don't know.
Which one?
Last good
First,
thing
last good thing on the piano, right?
for Thursday.
He can learn on the piano and I'll relearn the lyrics.
Thursday. All right.
We'll see you in Kingston.
All right.
All right.
It's a good one.
Yeah. Here we go. I get it. If he doesn't get too drunk, he forgets.
Hey baby, in that lane, we can get breakfast if you stay away. We got your daddy's credit card, come on, let's get high. Don't give a mouth if God saves. I ain't sleeping, I will break you on the edge of a day. Don't you wanna make this feeling last a while? You got the money and I got the heart. I know a guy that delivers to these parts. So don't you come down on me. Don't you come down on me. Don't you come down on me tonight. We'll be just fine. One more for the road, kid. Let's go down to the water, taking out of our hand. Standing by the shore, you can hear the lake breathe. The feeling takes you hostage. It's rushing from your heart to the palm of my hand. We can make this little prison city feel free. You got the money and again.
How about sometimes on a Sunday?
Lover Under Fire.
Yeah.
Gordy,
Lover Under
Gordy.
Fire.
Lover Under Fire?
Love it.
Amigo. Damn, this guy comes in with the good ones. Gordy. Fucking Gordy. You gotta hear Lover Under Fire, man. I haven't heard it yet, man. 10 times as long. Jay's feeling Lover Under Fire, right?
Peter can't remember it. It's Peter's fault.
We love you, Peter.
No. He honestly helps us remember all of our songs. He runs a very tight ship with this band.
What do you want to do?
Lover Under Fire?
Full band.
Heavy.
Full band? No. There's not too many times.
So good.
What's that? No.
What's that? You're
You want to try funny?
Sure.
This might be a bloodbath, but we're gonna. Yeah, we screwed it up a couple times. It sounded very bad and very good at the end. Let's give it a whirl.
Practice makes perfect. Funny thing.
I was on my way, I was on my way. I know that you are waiting. I was on my way, I was on my way. I was coming for you, and you want me
so good.
Chris, let me get it.
See you soon.
Oh, okay.